Your focus is your frequency, so if you can focus on uplifting, being uplifting content, focus on becomes your reality and you see more positivity in the world.
Hi everybody, Emmy from OXYENERGY here. Today I'm here with Lisa. Welcome so much, it's so nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Lisa, would you mind telling us a little bit about how your life is looking at the moment? Your age, your occupation?
So I'm 40.
Yeah.
My occupation is sort of like into wellness and personal development, coaching and stuff like that.
And how did you get started with Wellness Revive? How did you find it?
I met Candy at the gym during a class, and then she told me about it, and at first I was like, maybe this is what I need to really boost my confidence and focus on wellness. It's been so important, so if you've got kind of something to focus on.
So when it comes to supplements, you mentioned that you're really looking for a supplement that is affordable, long-term, and that really works for you.
With OXYENERGY, it's actually quite affordable, and it's good to have something that you can like keep using. I actually think the price of the Lipo Core 6-in-1 is really good, and it's my favorite product, so I feel like it's something I would like to stay on.
So you shared with us before that the Lipo Core by OXYENERGY, the 16-in-1 product, is one of your favorite supplements. Do you want to talk a little bit about how it has helped you to improve your overall wellness?
Yeah, sure. So I love that it's like sachets, you can take them on the go. I've found it's really good, like if I have a meal and then I have it after, it stops me kind of snacking and just like, those cravings in the afternoon, which has been really good. Gives me energy, so I quite like to have it sort of just after lunch myself.
Do you feel that OXYENERGY products have helped you build and maintain a more sustainable lifestyle?
Yeah, definitely. I've dedicated myself to it, and I just feel like when you put it in your routine and you get like quite a solid routine, it's so much easier to just flow with it.
What is the one habit with OXYENERGY perhaps that you want to keep going with in the long term after this wellness project has ended?
Definitely the 16-in-1.
Okay,
that is my favourite. But I do like the milk thistle for liver detoxification and stuff, which I feel like is really important as well. But the 16-in-1 is my favourite.
And Lisa, in one sentence, what does energy from within, what does it mean for you?
Yes, I believe energy within is mind, body and spirit all connected. So when we can really connect all of them and go within and know that we're in alignment, then we feel this inner fire. And so really looking after your body, looking after your mind, and also products that help.
Beautiful. I love your answer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lisa, for joining us with OXYENERGY today to talk about the journey with Wellness Revive and talk about our beautiful products. And thank you so much for coming, and we hope you're going to enjoy and keep using the products.
Yeah, thank you for having me here.